Welcome to A Toy a Day. It's me, Nickel the Pickle. That was a big slam. Feels like it's going to be a heavy toy. It's that sitting cat. I hope that I get the one that is the one that I want. I want that one. I only got one of these. We might as well make it this little tiger boy in a black bow tie. He's something special, ain't he? Real nice and easy. Ooh, it says Kong Zoo. This is a pretty... Oh my god. It's like, what the hell is this? This is nowhere to be found on the, on the thing over here. Is this a secret one? I mean, what's going on here? So it's this one up here, but it doesn't have the bow tie. It has a cape. I guess the one up there, this has to be a secret one. I can barely get it back on there. It's very soft though. Oh, let's see here. Oh. Do they just all? Let me get this bag out of here. I mean, it just says it. That's just the normal. Do they all come with stuff like this? This is hilarious. Here's this little bow tie. Why does it have a cape and hat? Jeez Louise. So thrown off by this cat's cape and hat. Good God. Here's his little bow tie. Boom! I'm not even going to put that on there. Comes with glasses. Oh, I almost did it again. Even the glasses have little glass things on them. Nice. Putting glasses on a cat is funny. Get on there correctly. I might have bent it when I was opening it. Look at this adorable little cat. It is pretty heavy. See, look at his paws down there. I'm just shaking everything. Oh, I messed up my tripod. That's what happened. It is no longer stable. Oh, no. Still not. Okay, what is going on today? Just knocking things over left and right. Oh, the light. Oh, man. This is going to be a funny episode. I always forget to mention as well, for those who are wondering, I did get my tooth pulled out. So I am not in any tooth pain anymore. And I'm just, whoa. That came off real easy. And I'm just kicking it. I'm back to being Nickel the Pickle with no sore tooth or anything. Got it ripped straight out my mouth. No root canal for this guy. So I don't know. I wish I would have bought more than one of these now, just to see. It's like, here's the card and here's him. But why did he come with this bonnet? This bonnet and this cape. Is that... I want to know now if like all of them came with it. Oh, I'd put that on backwards. How do you even do this? You know, it's the first of the month. I get one day of messing things up, and this is it. I got 1 day a month using it on the first. This old lady cat. Why does it have a cape? I really would like to know. I'm gonna have to do some research on this later. I say that every time, and then I always forget. By the next time the episode comes out, it's like I never even opened it. I have nothing to say about it. This is really hard to put on with its bow tie. Oh, there we go. Because I would like it to wear the bow tie and the cape. You know, that's ideal. Why? Why does it have a cape and a little hat? I'm so confused by this cat. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look up some of these and see if I got a special one here, because it looks just like the normal cat. But why? Why, kitty? It just looks so funny. Alright, let's hit it with the black light. Ooh, you got the little dots on the cape, and a little bow tie. Ooh, its eyes kind of glow. Nice. Nice. Okay. Oh yeah, let's look at the rest of his body. No, the white doesn't even glow on this. No, his glasses. My glasses. What a strange kitty. Alright. That's gonna do it. Remember, Toy Day keeps apple cider vinegar away. We'll see you tomorrow.